Professor Pete, it's week 3 still. Again, I'm trying to make short videos so you can kind of quickly learn things. This one is how to import assets, because you're going to have some assets, whether or not you have models you've already created, but in this case, we're going to go online and see what we can find. I like this retro TV, so I'm using a CG Trader. I'm going to go ahead and download the FBX file and the textures. Once you do that, I decided to put them all into a folder. So I have the mesh and the materials in there. And this is going to be pretty straightforward to put into Unreal. While I'm in Unreal, it's probably good to have a folder of your own. So I'm going to add a new right-click, new folder, and this I'm going to call this downloaded models. And then I'm going to double-click on that, and I'm just going to drag in the TV mesh. And this comes up, okay, local, just gonna have set to default and import that. Well, it says material methods. It has a little error, that's okay. You've got the texture material here, double click on that, and you'll see that it's this thing here. I'm gonna just go here and delete it. And now I'm gonna start from scratch and import in the different textures. Right click, type in texture sample, and there it is. And this is going to go as RGB to my base color. And again, it's going to come up as an error. And instead, you'll just go down here and type in TV. This is why it's so important to make sure you name your textures if you're bringing them in. And so those 4 textures need to be put in. I'm going to just go ahead and close this, and I'll just save it anyway, even though with the error. And I'm going to just drag those 4 textures into the same folder of downloaded models. So again, double click on the texture, and then you'll see that the texture has none on it, and then just go over here, type in TV, and there is my TV material. Then I will add it to the normal and ambient occlusion. So again, right click and type in texture sample, and same method. Go in here, TV, and again, this will be, this as a normal, and RGB into the normal, and last one, and this will also go to ambient occlusion, and again, type in TV, and we've got the ambient occlusion. All right, so it looks pretty good. We could hit on the X and we'll save that. From here, we can then grab the TV mesh and then drag it into the scene. And there it is. F on the keyboard to focus, and W to move, E to rotate, and scale is R. So there you go. Just wanted to show you how to import models that you find online into Unreal. As you can see, you have to make a folder, make sure your assets, which are the files, are also in special folders so you don't lose content. You can grab them quickly, but the main thing is you have to import those in and then reconnect the textures to the model. But as you saw, it's pretty straightforward, and you can start placing them into your scenes. That's all I got. Professor Pete out. Keep learning.